Good evening, all. This is Shay Horowitz, StrugGleTrading.com. Hope you enjoyed your holiday. Hope you enjoyed your weekend. This is a very special time of the year because this is usually when a move starts. This is a 60-minute chart of the S&P 500, but before I talk about this one, I'm going to go into the daily, and I'm going to show you what happened last year around the same area. Let me go ahead and zoom in. I'm going to use my tool over here and zoom in. And I want you to see the date, and you can see the date. This is 1-3, this is 1-2, this is 12/31. The market actually broke out of this wedge-shaped consolidation on 12/31, 102. It started going, 103 pulled back a little bit for some profit taking, and then it went down and down hard. Now, this is great because a lot of people come back from vacation and they take on a position, and that's why we have that. If you look back into our newsletters from the last a couple of weeks, you'll see that I talked about this, and I told you that you have to wait, you have to be there on time in order to take advantage of this move, which worked out extremely well for us. We went into Friday with 5 open positions. I'm just going to read you the percentage gains on them. 9%, 6%, 8%, 6%, and 13% all in one day. Just on Friday, just on this big bump up. We are going to take some profits right now, just to ring the register a little bit, and then we're looking to re-enter, and then we'll be looking for the market to continue this move up. I think it's going to go to at least 1,000 after it's done pulling back. I'm going to go back to 60-minute chart just to show you a little bit more about the market. And you can see that we were consolidating through the holidays, and that's completely normal. And then right into the new year, we consolidated even tighter and tighter and tighter. And once we got to the pinnacle of this wedge, we had a very nice move up. Now, this move up actually ended up breaking the 922 resistance level, which is something we had for a while. And I think it's going to continue up on the S&P 500. Let's check out the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and you can see it's basically did the same thing. Also, very nice consolidation in the holidays, very, very slow, very, very slow. And then on Friday, a very, very large move up. I think it's going to keep going up. We're going to look at daily charts, and you can see how much room we have on the upside. We can go all the way up to 14,000. It's where we were at before. If you look on a long-term basis, you can see that we have a shoulder, a head, and possibly another shoulder. That is extremely significant because that could be our upside down head and shoulders reversal signal, and could generate a tremendous trend. I highly encourage you to get involved in the market right now. We are in the process of accumulating a large position on the long side. If this works out, and I'm not sure if it's going to work out, but if it does work out, our plan is to accumulate a tremendous long position. Our goal is actually to keep adding on to the long position and be able to ride it up. Even if we only get up to this level, the 11,000, and we're sitting at 9,000, you talk about 2,000 Dow points. That's a 20% return, and I think it can do it within a month. So make sure that you are ready to go. If you come into our newsletter, this is the right time to do so. The new year is here. Anyway, that's what I expect for this week. We do have a new president that's coming in. We have quite a few crises just about on every corner. So we're going to have to navigate through that. But I think the market is still the market. I think the market is still going to do what the market is going to do. Have a great night, and I will talk to you tomorrow if you are part of our services, or next week. Take care.